In this video, we'll learn how to upload images that you can use to create patterns in Design Space. Since we're using our image as a pattern fill, it's good to note which file types you can use for patterns. They're listed here. Now click the Upload Pattern button. Similar to uploading basic or vector images, there are two ways you can upload a pattern image to Design Space. Either drag and drop a file into the upload screen, like this, or click the Browse button, find the image on your computer, and click Open. Next, this preview window gives you the opportunity to name and tag the image with relevant keywords. By default, the image name matches the file name, but feel free to change it to something that makes the most sense for your pattern. Tag your images with themes, styles, and color information, like this. This will make it much easier to find your pattern for future use. So take the few extra seconds to do so. This is your chance. Once you've got everything just the way you want, click Save. Back at the Upload screen, you'll see confirmation that your pattern has been successfully uploaded. Your pattern will now be accessible through the Layers Attributes panel on the canvas. So don't worry that it's not here in this Recently Uploaded Images section. In the next video, we'll show you how to apply patterns to your designs and how to edit them once applied.